What's up, guys? It's time to eat some gummies. So this is my gummies called Kirin gummies. Oh, that's weird. Let's wait a second. Sorry guys, I just took a bite. So this is the inside. So squishy. And so yummy. So guys,
Huwag ka na mag-video para papatayin ko na yung ilaw. Lalabas ko na yung mga kutsyon.
So, bye-bye guys. I'm gonna sleep now. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment. Bye! If you don't like and subscribe, I'm gonna go to your house. Just kidding. Bye!